Former US President Donald Trump has been indicted for an unprecedented third time, adding another set of serious federal charges to the mounting legal issues he faces. Trump was indicted as part of the Department of Justice's criminal investigation led by Special Counsel Jack Smith into the January 6, 2021 insurrection at the US Capitol. The indictment marks the second time Trump has faced federal charges, and he remains the only president to have been federally indicted in the US. Trump is charged with 4 counts: conspiracy to defraud the United States, conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, obstruction of and attempt to obstruct an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights. Now, he could face up to 20 years in prison for each of the obstruction-related charges and 10 years for the conspiracy against rights charge. It's not yet clear, though, when Trump will be arraigned in Washington, D.C. federal court. But why is this indictment a big deal? If you only pay attention to one of the 3 Trump indictments so far, make it this one. Unlike the previous indictments in the New York and classified documents cases, which pertain to falsifying business records and national security concerns, this latest indictment has overt consequences on the US democracy and the upcoming 2024 election as well. So what does this mean for Trump's 2024 campaign? Well, so far, Trump has simply brushed off his legal entanglements, and they appear to be helping him in the 2024 polls. He remains the front-runner in the GOP primary, polling more than 30 percentage points on an average ahead of Republican Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. Trump has already lost once to US President Joe Biden, but in head-to-head matchups over the last month, some polls have him winning by as much as 7 percentage points, while others have him losing by as much as 6 percentage points. Now, much could change before November 2024, but should Trump be his party's nominee, those numbers suggest a tight race in which losing moderates and independents in states like Georgia or Pennsylvania could be the difference between victory and defeat. Overall, even in the best-case scenario for the former US president, in which the legal issues have zero effect on his support, the cases will take away valuable time and money he could be spending on his campaign.